If you're still losing leads because you didn't respond fast enough, this video ends that. Here are 5 AI tips that'll get you more listings without more cold calling. You already know the job isn't selling houses. It's 50 small jobs a day that surround selling houses. Showings, follow-ups, listing copy, market prep, social posts. These 5 tips hand the repetitive half to AI, so your time goes where deals actually close, with people. And none of this needs software you don't already have. Most of it is features hiding inside the tools you use every day. Quick ground rule before we start. Everything here is a productivity suggestion, not legal or fair housing guidance. Your broker, your MLS, and your local rules always come first, and you review everything before it goes out under your name. All right, tip 1, the one from the hook. Tip 1, instant lead response. Most buyer leads go with whoever answers first. Speed matters more than script. The setup. Your CRM almost certainly added AI reply drafting this year. Turn it on. Every new inquiry gets a drafted answer in your voice within seconds. You glance at it between showings, adjust one line, and send. No CRM? Point your website's contact form at an AI assistant with a saved prompt. Greet them, answer the basics about the listing, and offer 2 showing windows. You approve everything before it sends. But now, your first response takes 2 minutes, not 4 hours. That alone changes how many conversations you're even in. Tip 2, AI drafted listing descriptions. Feed the AI your bullet points. Beds, baths, the renovated kitchen, the maple in the backyard, and ask for 3 versions. 1 warm, 1 crisp, 1 short for portals. Tell it who the likely buyer is too. First home, downsizer, growing family, and watch the emphasis shift to match. Save a prompt with your brand voice once, and every future listing starts from a strong draft instead of a blank page. You still check every fact and every word before it publishes. It's your name on the listing. What used to eat an evening now takes 15 minutes, and the copy stops sounding like every other listing on the block. Tip 3, AI follow-up sequences for cold leads. That folder of people who looked 6 months ago and went quiet? Ask your AI assistant to draft a light 3-message check-in sequence for them, spaced weeks apart, referencing what they were looking for, no pressure in the tone. You read each draft, personalize a detail, and send on your schedule. It feels like you remembered them because you did. The AI just did the typing. Most agents never follow up past the second touch, which is exactly why this works. Same-day setup. Pick 10 cold leads, ask for drafts, send 3 today. Tip 4, AI-assisted CMA prep. The comparative market analysis itself is your expertise. The hours of formatting around it don't have to be. Pull your comps from the MLS like always, then hand the raw details to AI and ask it to draft the narrative. Neighborhood overview, how each comp relates, what to highlight in person. You verify every number and own every conclusion. The judgment stays yours. The assembly time drops from an afternoon to an hour, and you walk into the listing appointment with a cleaner story to tell. Plus, the time back to prepare for the sharp questions sellers actually ask. Tip 5, turn each listing into a week of social content. 1 walkthrough video and 1 AI session gets you a script for a 60-second reel, 5 caption options, a just listed post, an open house reminder, and a sold announcement for later. Ask the AI to write them in your voice, at different lengths, and pick what feels right. Agents who post consistently stay top of mind without buying leads, and consistency is exactly what AI is good at. Same-day setup. Take your newest listing and ask for the full content set. Post the first one tonight. So that's 5. Instant lead response. Listing copy without the blank page. cold lead follow-ups, faster CMA prep, and a week of content from every listing. Pick one and set it up today. Tip 1 takes 10 minutes inside the CRM you already have. If this was useful, subscribing genuinely helps me make more videos like this. And drop a comment telling me which tip you want the full step-by-step on. Now go answer that lead. Someone's waiting to hear from you.